A Cybertruck accident involving incoming USC recruit Elijah Arenas occurred when the truck he was driving struck a fire hydrant and tree near the Corbin Avenue. The Cybertruck looks totaled and partially burnt up. It is unclear how the crash occurred. A nearby security camera shows the Cybertruck striking a hydrant and tree before the vehicle caught fire. The Los Angeles Fire Department said the 18-year-old was found outside the truck when paramedics arrived. The crumpled Cybertruck's front end was completely destroyed, partially wrapped around the tree trunk. Some Good Samaritans helped Elijah Arenas from his burning Tesla Cybertruck moments after the crash. Arenas was conscious but clearly writhing in pain and was rushed to hospital. Hours after the crash, the Cybertruck was taken from the scene and burst into flames at a tow yard.